It is today third day of this lesson, the birth, and I am going to complete today this lesson up to yesterday, that is up to last day. We came to read that how that new novice doctor Morgan tried to save the life of the mother and child both, newborn child and the mother, delivering mother. How he struggled, and how after putting injection in the body of the mother who was totally unconscious, doctor became busy in protecting the life of the child who was totally motionless due to the chloroform. He demanded hot and cold water mixed in two basin. In one basin there was only hot water, in second basin there was mixture of hot and cold water. And that doctor was putting that child some moment in hot water, sometimes in the mixed water, again hot water, mixed water. In this way he was going on. And then we are going to proceed tomorrow. A desperate sense of defeat pressed on him. Desperate means the hopeless. Means after doing great effort, lot of effort, when there did not come even a little bit sign of life and breath in the body of the newborn child, then the doctor realized that he had lost his field. Means the child had gone, बच्चा अब मर चुका था. He thought, a ragging hopelessness. Ragging means running on the face, the hopelessness. He felt the midwife watching him in stark consternation. While the stark consternation means होता है quite hopelessly and in stunned way, means नाउमीदी भरी उम्मीद से कि मतलब ये अब कर क्या रहा है, सरप्राइज्ड, अमेजिंग, ये कर क्या रहा है, बच्चा तो मर चुका है, फिर ये क्या कर रहा है, उसे बार बार इधर उधर क्यों कर रहा है, डाल रहा है. While they pressed back against the wall where she had all the time remained, her hand pressed to her throat, uttering no sound, her eyes burning upon him, was the old woman. Doctor saw that the child had gone. Even after his great lot of effort, the lady grandmother was also watching at the doctor constantly with wide opened eyes, standing just by with the help of the wall, with the hope that anyhow doctor would save the child. He remembered her longing for a grandchild. In the memory of the child, in the uh, in the mind of the doctor, it came that how that lady just before was longing for her grandson. डॉक्टर कहता है कि कैसे वह लेडी बस थोड़ी देर ही पहले अपने एक पोते के लिए विश कर रही थी, डिजायर, गहरी इच्छा कि कैसे भी एक बच्चा मेरा हो जाएगा, कुशल से परिवार हो जाएगा. As great as had been her daughter's longing for this child, all dashed away now, futile, beyond remedy. Beyond remedy means without upchar. Nothing could be done to save the life of that newborn child. When doctor had become hopeless, अब उस बच्चे को बचाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया जा सकता था. He had died, nothing could be done. This was the thought of doctor also, and everyone was knowing this fact. And you did not heed her. Did not heed her का मतलब Andrew could not cheat her. Andrew was the doctor, और वह जो है उस दादी को चीट नहीं कर सका, बहला नहीं सका कि नहीं बच्चा ऐसे, बस बच्चा died, that child died and died and nothing else. Beaten, despairing, having labored in vain for half an hour, near about, he did lot of effort for half an hour to save the life. He still persisted in one last persist in means होता है to give more effect, to give more effort, to insist on, जोर देना. तो कह रहा है कि he decided to give one last effort to save the life of that child with some hope and expectation. उसने डिसाइड किया कि चलो ऐसा है कि बच्चा तो अब बचेगा या नहीं बचेगा, क्या होगा, we don't know. Doctor even was hopeless in relation to the life of that child, but he decided to commit one last effort to save the life of the child for the sake of the grandmother, mother and father of the child, means for the sake of the longings of the family members. परिवार के लिए, पिता के लिए। वह माँ दैट वाज अनकॉन्शियस ऑन द टेबल, बेसुध पड़ी थी टेबल पे। और उसके बाद सबसे बड़ी बात, वो दादी who was longing for her grandson. For the sake of all of them, doctor decided to do his last effort to save the life of that child. Grandchild is great. For grandchild is great head beyond the. The floor was now draggled mess. Stumbling over a sopping towel, Andrew almost dropped the child, which was now wet and slippery in his hands like a strange white fish. For mercy's sake, Doctor whimpered the midwife, it's stillborn. Andrew did not heed her beaten, despairing, having labored in vain for half an hour. He still persisted in one last effort, rubbing the child with a rough towel. He started to rub that child with rough towel, crushing and releasing the little chest. Crushing means sometimes he start to crush to press, sometimes he released the chest of the child so that anyhow breathe could start inhale and exhale. कैसे भी सांस आने जाने लगी। इस एफर्ट से उसने क्या किया कि एंड्रू जो डॉक्टर था उसने प्रयास किया, उसे दबाया, उसके चेस्ट के बच्चे को कभी रिलीज किया, कभी प्रेस किया। The little chest with both hands, trying to get breath into that limp body. And anyhow Andrew was trying to start inhaling and exhaling of the breath in the heart, in the body of that newborn child. And then the incident changed, situation changed. Suddenly situation took place, changiness took place. What happened? In hopelessness thou Andrew was pressing the chest of the child and sometimes releasing and pressing. Though he was in his heart, it was going that child had become lifeless. Yet he was trying to save, trying to bring the breath in the body of the child. So he was pressing, releasing, and due to his great effort, luck took turn. किस्मत ने करवट बदला. And then, as by a miracle, suppose as if it had happened due to miracle, divine power, the pygmy chest, pygmy, you know what is pygmy? Pygmy is a tribe, एक जनजाति होती है और बड़ी छोटी छोटी हाइट की होती है, बौना जिसे कहते हैं. So pygmy, here pygmy means the very small size chest of that child, एकदम छोटा सा सीना जो उस बच्चे का था, which his hands enclosed, जिस चेस्ट को उस डॉक्टर के हाथों ने ऐसे जकड़ रखा था, बार बार दबाव प्रेस कर रहा था. Gave her short means jerk, झटका. उस डॉक्टर को अचानक झटका रियलाइज हुआ that anyhow something is going on in the chest of the child. Exhaling and inhaling is going on. Convulsive heave, another and another. Andrew turned giddy. Andrew got surprised. What happened? Now child is alive. The sense of life is springing beneath his fingers after all that unavailing striving was so exquisite. Exquisite means होता है unique, strange, अद्वितीय. It almost made him faint. Suddenly, Andrew Morgan, that means the doctor, realized that under his fingers the chest of the child was breathing. Has started to take breath. Chest was breathing. And anyhow, he came to know that now child had become alive. The rays of the hope came in the mind, in the heart of the body of the Andrew and even the whole family members. Positivity, the sun rays came in the room. He redoubled his efforts, now being eager and positive. Andrew started his efforts by doubling. He redoubled his efforts feverishly. That is the feverishly means energetically, you can say here. Pressurized को नेगेटिव सेंस में फेवरिशली होता है, मीन्स वो इतना प्रेशर में था कि वो करने लगा, लेकिन यहाँ पॉजिटिव सेंस है. फेवरिशली द चाइल्ड वाज गैस्पिंग नाउ. गैस्प मीन्स टू पफ, हाफना, टू गैस्प. So child was gasping now at that moment. Deeper and deeper means her exhaling and inhaling was going continue faster and faster, deep and deep. और बबल ऑफ मकस केम फ्रॉम वन टिनी नॉस्ट्रिल। बबल ऑफ मकल्स मतलब जब बच्चा होता है तो उसके नाक वगैरह में सब होता है, तो सांस वगैरह लेता है तो वो बाहर निकल के आता है। इन बबल शेप डॉक्टर्स जो है क्लीन करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड। सो व्हेन चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड टू टेक ब्रीथ, देन बबल फ्रॉम बबल्स एंड सम unuseful liquids came out from the nostril of the child, and thus that was the symbol sign of the inhaling, exhaling and life of that child. A joyful iridescent bubble. The limbs were no longer boneless, the head no longer lay back spinelessly, the blanched skin was slowly turning pink. Then exquisitely came the child's cry. Slowly, slowly, each and every part of the body of the child started to come in motion. Limbs, hands, feet, necks, etc. Each and every organ of the child started to give response to the doctor. Now doctor became positive that child was alive. His effort has brought the good result, good consequence in favor of them. And then slowly, slowly, gradually, at last, finally, child started to cry, and thus the longing desires of each and everyone came alive. The dream of the grandmother had become had come to truth, वास्तविकता में बदल चुका था। वह बच्चा जीवित हो चुका था डॉक्टर के फट से, और अब डॉक्टर पॉजिटिव हो गया था। वह जान रहा था कि नहीं, अब हमने सब कुछ पॉजिटिव कर दिया है, सब सही हो गया है। नाउ डॉक्टर हैड सक्सीडेड। डियर फादर इन हेवन, द नर्स सॉफ्ट हिस्टेरिकली। हिस्टेरिकली, हिस्ट्री मीन्स जानते हो, हिस्टेरिक मीन्स द सेंस ऑफ नॉनसेंस। You have heard the word hysteria, that is pagalpanness, that is the unbehaviorable or abnormal behavior. So nurse was in such pressurized mood that she had become in the abnormal situation, and in hysterical mood she said, "Oh God, oh heaven dweller, Almighty God, you have done each and everything well." And blessing to the child, it's come alive, and was blessing to child that he had become alive. Andrew handed her the child. Andrew finally handed the child to the nurse. He felt weak and dazed. Dazed means you can say here tired. Means जब आपको कहीं वर्क से, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क से जब आपको नींद आने लगे, that is called dazed. So Andrew was pressurized there in the moment when he was in busying the child. So due to extreme pressure, psychological pressure, Andrew was realizing dazed, that is the name, and weak. About him the room lay in a shuddering litter, blankets, towels, basins, soiled instruments, the hypodermic syringe impaled by its point in the linoleum, the ewer knocked over, the kettle on its side in a puddle of water upon the huddled bed. The mother still dreamed her way quietly through the anesthetic. The old woman still stood against the wall, but her hands were together, her lips moved without sound. She was praying. Means being released after making alive to child, when doctor handed over the child to the nurse in the lap of the nurse, and after that realizing some relief, now he got tired, much tired, due to effort, hard effort and psychological pressure. Now he was in sleepy mood, he was dozing and dazing, but when he moved his sight in the room, he found that each and everything was in disorder manner. Mother was in the same position, in unconscious position. Nurse was standing by, taking the child in her lap in a side. Grandmother was standing just by the side of the wall. But up to the before, the grandmother was in doubtful, in the psychological pressure. Grandmother was longing only for the life of her grandson. But now till from here, the grandmother was standing at the same place, but in different gesture and posture, with the joined palms to the God and praying for the God, praising for the God, that God, you have given, you have blessed us, you have filled with each and everything to all of us. So grandmother was showing the gratitudeness towards the God by joining her hands and raising, lifting towards the heaven, towards the sky, in favor of the God. Mechanically, Andrew wrung out his sleeve. Wrung out means to open. जैसे आप स्लीव क्या करते हो, मोड़ लेते हो, पीछे को बेंड कर लेते हो. In that position, Andrew was also when he was on work. But after completion of work, Andrew opened the bands of the sleeves. Open किया, खोल लिया. Pulled on his jacket. Pulled on means took from the chair where her jacket, his jacket was pulled on his jacket. I shall fetch my bag later, nurse, and said to the nurse that nurse, I will take my bag later. This moment I just want to go, just leave here. He went downstairs through the kitchen into the scullery. His lips were dry. At the scullery, he took a long drink of water. Do you know what is scullery? Scullery means washroom. You can say जैसे bathroom होता है, washroom होता है. That is called scullery. So Andrew went there with the purpose to wash his body, his hands, and he was deeply quenched thirst. So he drank full desire water. जहाँ तक उसकी इच्छा हुई, भरपेट पानी पिया. He reached for his hat and coat, and finally he took his hat and coat. Outside he found Joe standing on the pavement with a tense, expectant face. And when after completion of the whole task, when Andrew, that is the doctor, novice doctor, came out after completion of the task, just out of the door, main door of the home, he found the father of the child, Joe, standing there in wait of the doctor. He was waiting for the good news from the side of the doctor, with the expectation that doctor would give the good information about the child and the result and consequence, because he had also the lot of hope and expectation and dreams in his eyes, mind and heart, etc. All right, Joe, he said thickly, both all right. And doctor replied that, Mr. Joe, don't worry, be happy. Your family is now safe, your child is now safe, so be happy. Don't be bothered about more than needed. It was quite light, nearly 5 o'clock, and time was now the just morning dawn, that is the after 5 o'clock early morning. When the child took birth, doctor departed to his home. A few miners were already in the streets. Miner, MINER, MINE माइन होता है. माइन मीन्स खान होता है. उसमें जो वर्क करते हैं, those are called miner. Mine is also noun, miner is also noun. Miners are plural noun. So some miners were going on to their part, to the job, to the workplace. The first of the night shift moving out. As Andrew walked with them, spent and slow, his footfalls echoing with the others under the morning sky, he kept thinking, blindly oblivious, that is clear to all other work he had done in plainly. I have done something now. The soul of the Andrew is crying. Soul of the Andrew is telling with the self contentment, आत्म संतुष्टि के साथ जो एंड्रू की आत्मा थी वो कह रही थी, what I have done something, oh God, हे भगवान मैंने आज कुछ अच्छा किया है. Oh God, I have done well, I have done something good. God, I have done something real at last. Finally, I have done something, God. Bless me, God. I have done with deep desire and deep expectations. True expectation. I have served you, God. I have saved the life of the newborn child. Oh God, thanks for support of me. In this way, Andrew thanked God, and in this way, your chapter completes this part. If you have any query, then you may